So first of all, by default, it's operating on the whole track. If I want to operate on a smaller region, I can drop a marker and then thereby create a range on the track over which I want to use the splines. I can either have splines that are forced through the existing points. You can see here that creates an awful lot of noise. That's because I need to adjust the tension. We imagine the tension as being you're threading a band, threading a spring through the existing points, and the more tension you put on that string, the crazier it gets. So very often you need quite a low tension. The tolerance, if I lower the tolerance, then I have to use more track points to give a better approximation of the spline curve. And so going through existing points can be useful. In most cases that's not what you want to do, so we default to using in the existing points as an approximation, and you can see here that it's sort of steering towards the point and it's just coming away from it, and it's trying to produce a fairly smooth curve. Tension doesn't really have any effect here. Tolerance has the same effect of increasing the number of points and therefore the quality of the output. So that is quite a good way of smoothing a curve, but it will tend to reduce the radius on the bends. And finally, another way of using the spline tool is in ink mode. In ink mode, we ignore the markers and you select part on the track, and by moving around the track, or in fact just moving around so that the start and end points are on the track, if available, if there is a solution, if there is a set of splines that will work, you see the preview, and if I release the mouse here, it will